Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore how to add subtitles to the Divi Accordion module in Divi 5. By default, the Accordion module only displays a title and content, but with this feature, you'll be able to include subtitles beneath each title for additional context. This can be done using either the standalone Divi Accordion Subtitles plugin or as part of Divi Booster. Both options give you the same functionality, so you can choose the one that best suits your setup. Let's dive in. Before we proceed further, let's take a moment to see the difference between a default Accordion module and one with subtitles added. You'll notice that the default module includes just the title and content for each item. With subtitles added, each accordion title is enhanced with an additional line of text underneath, providing more context and making the content more engaging for your visitors. You can see an example of this in the image on screen for a clearer comparison. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Accordion subtitle feature to easily add subtitle text to individual accordion items in Divi 5 without any coding required. You'll also learn how to apply shared typography settings for subtitles across the entire module, and how to override these settings for specific items when needed. Keep in mind, this method is designed specifically for Divi 5 and won't work with earlier versions like Divi 4. Let's get started. To add subtitles to your Divi Accordion module, you'll need to install either the standalone Accordion Subtitle plugin or Divi Booster. Both options enable subtitle fields and styling controls within the Divi 5 Accordion module, so you can choose the one that fits your setup best. If you only need the subtitle feature, the standalone Accordion Subtitle plugin is a great option. For more advanced functionality, Divi Booster also includes this feature, so there's no need to purchase the standalone plugin if you already have Divi Booster. You can find links to both in the accompanying post. To install either plugin, download the plugin zip file, navigate to the WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins, Add New, and Upload Plugin. Upload the zip file, click Install Now, and activate the plugin. Once activated, the feature will be ready to use. After installation, you can proceed with adding subtitles to your accordion module. To add subtitles to your accordion items, start by opening the accordion module settings in Divi. Expand one of the accordion items, and if you haven't already, add your title and content as usual. Next, locate the field for subtitles and type in the text you'd like to appear directly beneath the accordion title. As soon as you enter the text, the subtitle will be displayed under the main heading, giving visitors more context before they expand the item. Simply repeat this process for any other accordion items where you'd like to include subtitles. This makes it easy to add additional clarity or description to each section. To style all accordion subtitles consistently, open the accordion module settings and navigate to the Design tab. Scroll down to the Subtitle text section. Here, you can adjust settings like font size, color, line height, and letter spacing. These adjustments will apply to all subtitles within the module, ensuring a uniform appearance and a clear visual hierarchy. If needed, individual accordion items can still have their subtitle styles customized separately, but using this main setting gives you an efficient way to maintain consistency across the module. If you'd like to customize the subtitle text style for a specific accordion item, begin by opening the item's settings. Switch to the Design tab and locate the Subtitle Text Styling group. From here, you can make individual adjustments to properties like color, font size, or spacing to help certain items stand out. This is especially useful if you want to emphasize a particular accordion item or visually differentiate it from the rest. It's a simple way to draw attention to featured content while maintaining the overall functionality of your accordion. After adding and styling your subtitles, don't forget to save your changes and publish the page. Then, preview your site to confirm that each subtitle is displaying correctly on the front end. This step ensures your updates look just as intended for your visitors. Now that your accordion subtitles are set up, you might want to explore additional ways to enhance your accordion module. For example, You could add FAQ schema for better search engine visibility, create a full FAQ section, or enable features like automatic scrolling to opened items or starting the accordion fully closed. I've linked guides for these in the accompanying post, so feel free to check them out for more customization ideas. And that's it. You now know how to add subtitles to the Divi accordion module. By using module-wide typography settings and optional per-item styling, you can create accordions that are both easy to scan and visually cohesive. If you have ideas for further customization or features you'd like to see, feel free to share your suggestions. We're always looking to create helpful Divi tutorials, and your idea could inspire our next guide. Thanks for watching.